I've been busy putting the spooky finishing touches on our home, and I can't wait to show you. The leaves around our home are just beginning to change, but there are still some summer blooms holding on this late September. I had so much fun decorating the exterior of our house this year. I dressed up the front planters with fall florals and set out these oversized light-up jack-o'-lanterns I got from Home Depot. These eerie luminaries from Lowe's line the front walk. And up on the front porch, I decided to go with a stacked pumpkin look in the planters with a few Halloween accents below. Here's that black cat decoration from Michael's and a fun metal spider from HomeGoods below. I absolutely fell in love with this huge spider from Target and thought it was the perfect addition to the front porch, along with these large 10-foot spider webs, which also were from Target. Above the steps are these twinkling bats from Lowe's, which I will show all lit up later in the nighttime portion of this video. Mr. Skeleton is resting on the porch swing this year. For a flare of nostalgia, I lined the front picture window with pumpkin lights. Let's head inside. So this is the entryway of our 125-year-old historic home. My dancing pumpkins drawing decorates the wall above the vintage desk. I have a few more spooky drawings on the desk, as well as some vintage Halloween printing blocks. This haunted house rug is a fun DIY video you can find on my channel, as is this witchy Halloween staircase garland. I'll have both videos linked in the description below. On the opposite wall is the entry table, decorated with a paper haunted house and a light-up ceramic I painted in another DIY video linked below. Next to this boo pillow is an eerie spellbook I made. If you're curious how to make a spellbook of your own, I'll have yet another craft video linked below. Vintage-style lanterns decorate the hooks, and applied with painter's tape, paper crows decorate the staircase wall. I haven't decorated a Halloween tree in years, so this was a blast to put together. I'll have the tree decorating video linked below, as well as a link to the DIY for this Halloween tree collar I made. A handcrafted ghost pillow sits on one chair, and on the other is the Halloween edition of my book Beatrix Percival, a story about a young woman who discovers she's a witch. And across the room is the fireplace, decorated with more Halloween crafts I made, which, you may have guessed it, are linked below in the video description. Along with a DIY video showing how to paint this vintage style ghost. Okay, I think that's most of the linked videos for now. In the living room, I have some antique Halloween postcards and other spooky accessories decorating the top of a vintage wood table. And look at this little owl. The tea cart has some more Halloween items, including these beaded coasters my grandma gave me, and a faux book I purchased from HomeGoods. A super soft skeleton blanket adds a Halloween touch to the couch, along with this Sleepy Hollow pillow from Michael's this year. In the window is a vintage Halloween ceramic I purchased on eBay, as it was very similar to one my grandma had when I was little. I actually made this luminary with my Cricut machine, and found this pillow at Target last year. Moving into the dining room, I decorated the ceiling with black streamers and suspended neon paper stars with thread. The stars look especially neat at night when they glow to black lights, which I will show later in the nighttime segment. Below is the Halloween party table, decorated with cute Johanna Parker Halloween dishes. These neat cupcake holders I got at Dollar Tree. Some haunted house napkins from HomeGoods, and these Halloween dishes from Target this year. Vintage orange enamelware fills in the look, and paper luminaries made with my Cricut machine add a glow at night. I'm actually really excited to have a Halloween party this year, as it has been 4 years since we've had one. I used an AI art generator to create this fun Halloween ghost image, and think it adds the perfect spooky touch to this antique frame. In the window is this cute owl decoration, and of course, a Scooby-Doo Halloween candle. Some vintage Halloween cutouts decorate the other wall above this updated Dollar Tree Halloween tree I crafted. I'll have a link to that DIY below as well. And here is another one of my books, Helga the Witch, a children's Halloween story poem, available at the link below. But as you may have guessed, I absolutely love Johanna Parker Halloween decorations. So in addition to the table decor, I filled the built-in china cabinet with more of her fun, spooky pieces, mixed with some other Halloween items. Autumn Floral decorates this vintage post box next to an eerie Halloween sign I found at Walmart. And going into the kitchen, the cabinets are decorated with neutral mini Halloween wreaths I put together. I chose to stick with a mostly neutral Halloween theme in this space. I found this cool ghost at HomeGoods, and this cauldron candle at Target. Across is the coffee bar area, decorated with more Halloween accents, including this skull K-cup holder I made from updating a $3 plastic skull from Dollar Tree. Fall leaves from Dollar Tree dress up my vintage buttermold collection above, and some Dollar Tree glitter bats dress up this plain wreath. Moving toward the other staircase, paper mice scurry up the stairs, and brooms decorate the hooks above. At the top of the stairs is the little guest room. I have a cauldron pillow decorating the guest bed, along with some ghost lights and Halloween books, including one my grandma found and gifted me. Autumn leaves, a jack-o'-lantern, and faux Halloween books decorate this vintage furniture piece. And across are more fall leaves and these Halloween egg ornaments I got from my mother-in-law 12 years ago. I ended up going back to Michael's for this sign as I thought it was just so neat. And just little hints of fall color everywhere. Next door is the clawfoot tub bathroom. I have this really cool witch candle holder next to the door, and over on the tub, pumpkin chai bath salts and my book Thomas, which is a romantic ghost story. I'll have it linked below in the video description. Up above, I dressed up a fall wreath from Target with this Halloween sign I found at Dollar Tree, and a mini jack-o'-lantern dresses up the hand towel hooks. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Had to show this super cool plugin from Bath & Body Works this year. I loved this Halloween pillow from Target. My grandma actually ended up getting one too. And this is our bedroom. I kept the decor in here simple with some Halloween pillows, lights, and a fun wreath. But now I'm just going to relax, and once it's dark outside, I'll show you all of the fun, spooky Halloween lights.